Hello to you today, haircut with cardamom. How to design, I will explain it in detail. Hair separation. We will create the sides. First profile distinction. Profile separation from the beginning of the forehead to the neck straight. Separation to dot asterisk, the distinction is E. Crown separation asterisk, crown separation from ear to ear. One from ear to ear, as the straight distinction we have divided. We create the second distinction. After creating these divisions asterisk, we divide our hair into four main sections, that is, into four parts, asterisk, after dividing it into four pieces. Your hair from behind your hair, to determine the length of the hair to form the basis asterisk A. Horizontal distinction we create and determine the length of the hair. We have determined the length of the first stage, hair level here, to sharpening cutting technique. That is, with a straight scissor stroke, 2 and E, we tilt our customer's head very little forward and the length of your hair. We determine the first stage here. We show our customer what size we will cut after deciding asterisk E straight scissors from the end of the hair start, the cutting process. This will be our guide. We will proceed in accordance with this guide asterisk, yes, E. I'm scanning backwards asterisk and E from the hair point I cut starting from the right to the left. I'm moving with straight scissor blows too after cutting the first stage. I divide it into stages. I create one horizontal distinction in guinea asterisk. I'm creating horizontal separations because it will be one straight cut. Friends, if there was a layered cut, I would create a vertical separation E, and even if it was an angle of 45 degrees, asterisk I would have to create diagonal divisions asterisk, yes, because I made a straight cut asterisk E. Create one horizontal distinction and one I see the hair point I cut before. So after seeing my guide asterisk, I cut the back part, gradually scanning backwards in 3 pieces asterisk and yes to the guide we cut before, following as appropriate. I continue my cutting process. Straight scissor blow here. I cut it with what we call a sharp line cutting technique asterisk. Straight scissors with one technique. I'm cutting with a blow here. I'm cutting, yes, my comb is light white. I'm using a comb. Dark hair asterisk. I use light colored combs on hair. Here is mine too, so it's easier when cutting hair asterisk E. It allows me to trade here, by the way, when cutting. Your scissors must be, it needs to be sharp one asterisk when you cut hair with scissors. Without breaking the ends of the hair, you can create clear cuts, and by breaking when the hair grows asterisk, not necessarily. Lengthen and in periods of 6 months asterisk. Don't forget to wrist your scissors. Don't forget to sharpen sharp. Scissors are always healthier asterisk. One haircut and your client's hair grows healthier. This will return you positively. See you soon. Yes, after cutting the hair, hair guinea profile distinction backwards. From the face that started my forehead, 1 asterisk, I'm creating a profile distinction asterisk, so I divided the hair into 2 main sections asterisk. Here is the curtain on the front of the hair asterisk. We will create a cardamom design and starting from the backwards vertex. I make one distinction diagonal to the back. I separate the front part, that is, according to the ear level, that is, both crown separation asterisk suitable, but your crown separation asterisk EI separated as diagonal cross separation asterisk, and after creating this separation from the eyebrow level asterisk, purchase motive separation in the front part of the eye. I will create this purchase motive separation starting from the end of the eyebrow asterisk from the peak to form a triangular shape asterisk. From the front part of one distinction, so as to have a triangle view, we separate, yes. The chakra is diagonal with a distinction. We will create a triangle view with distinction shis. Is the distinction we call the buying motif, asterisk here. The hair is in the curtain and bangs, usually in the middle, asterisk E, separation from the beginning of the forehead. That is, the nose we distinguish from the middle starting from the line and after making the distinction asterisk E, your cheekbones starting from the point of decline to the front I apply folding process with 45-degree angles. I pass to the left side of my customer while cutting the right side asterisk from the left side. Because the angle will be more comfortable asterisk I applied. Cutting with diagonal divisions. Now I went to my customers right, but this time I cut the left side asterisk 45-degree. Diagonal 1 on the left side asterisk E by creating a distinction and scanning direction E. From right to left, 1 applying scanning direction I. Created the curtain cardamom design, yes, hereafter, creating the haircut as you can see from the peak. I scan upwards and from the inside out E. Your hair E like this. E. I'm checking if there is a wrong part 1, so now asterisk E back. Diagonal the E point where we are separated, the right and left sides are the same. Now asterisk E after cutting the part of my front rivet E, anal. Motif so yes guinea my client's right side asterisk. I went to the left side to cut it and I'm doing the folding job here by creating 1 scanning angle from right to left E, the shortest point of hair E, your best point. After seeing your hair asterisk, I do the cutting process after seeing your short hair. As you can see here, I comb the hair at a certain angle, and after seeing the length of the hair, we see our sheath, and I even cut my hair suitable for that cover asterisk here. On the right I cut it straight, or it's suitable for the length of the hair. I cut the way so your hair, the most behind asterisk. I cut the starting point like that, as a guide asterisk now. As you can see, my customer guinea, back to front, asterisk back. Hair asterisk, I've separated. The hat somehow her hair was also front, so I divided the hair in half, or there were 2 sections left. Part 1, now E from back to front, I'm scanning an E from the point in front after scanning the bottom section, so E, the hair spot. I cut on the right E. I combine it with the hair point, so I'm scanning forward, and at the point of the hair, I cut it to fit the longest section. Asterisk. So what we call the temple point E part, at the level of your ear section length, in the hair part E. Hair point asterisk, as a guide. That is, hair length as a guide asterisk. I'm cutting it now, here again, I. Cut the left side, now you see the right side. I'm scanning for creating a diagonal distinction, asterisk. I've created 1 distinction until the neck. I also scan this distinction forward, E. And I cut it on the left side, asterisk, E take 1 sword from the point and check it on that sword. So equate each other, asterisk, 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 and I cut the hair I combed to the front asterisk. Here when I comb the hair forward asterisk, without losing the length on the back of the hair on the front of the hair, because we created a certain shortness, asterisk did we create the folding section. That short front sides asterisk for cutting point section from hair when we comb backwards both. Automatically folded asterisk and your hair is not shorter than your height, so here, according to the shortness in the front length of the hair 1. We create a haircut asterisk. We comb the hair from the neck to the front and a certain 1 point asterisk E. We cut it to this is for us asterisk, creating one activation. Operation, the front sides are short as we scan forward, back sides are long. One view here in bob cut 2, in the bob cut stretching forward as we did asterisk. What were we doing? They don't have a front to be long asterisk E. We were combing from front to back here, for the back of the hair to be long from back to front asterisk E. Create a fixed design so constant short, so we identified these points asterisk when we make appropriate cuts to those points behind It doesn't get shorter, and we have applied the folding process asterisk. Because we comb the hair right for ourselves and E upwards to a certain point. We are cutting, border, yes asterisk E, after cutting. Now with file scissors E by dividing it into sections. I apply, thinning the ends of the hair with file scissors. I also apply the net scissors with the Picatinny technique. From the ends of the hair, E and light. Textural one, thinning, asterisk, this makes the hair look softer asterisk. Yes, you are also curtain bangs, asterisk, layered haircut and other layered haircut designs. Bob haircut, pixie haircut, short layered haircut designs. If you want to get service, in the V, asterisk, my channel, asterisk, yes. In the description section, asterisk E, I have social media addresses by reaching my hall from there, so you can get service from me also in the description part of my video. I will have social media addresses reaching me from their haircutting service. By coming to my salon asterisk, you can get hairdressing service, moving floor, as you can see. The back of the curtain is long asterisk E. A folded hair design without losing its form. We made the front folded E. Curtain bangs hair design asterisk. Like my video and subscribe to my channel asterisk. Don't forget. I wish you a good day. See you.